Oh my god.
Linda and Tam are college sweethearts who knew early on they'd want to get married. But somehow, Linda knew exactly when her proposal would happen. Tam was decorating their home for the proposal while she was working at the family restaurant, where Linda noticed her parents acting a little strange. Her mom said they were heading home early to have dinner, and the prepared dish was something usually only for special occasions.
I swear something fishy is going on.
She also noticed Tam acting weird all day, and when she saw he unplugged their home security camera, it was the last piece of the puzzle.
Good. I knew it!
Wow. Are you married?
Yeah.